number 7. This is number 11. I want to state the amount of hours in 500 seconds. So I'm going to start here with what I know. Write down that I know I have 500 seconds. I know I have 500 seconds. I want to know the number of hours. So now over here, I'm going to write down what I want to know. I want to know how many hours. I don't know how many hours are in 500 seconds. I'm going to build a bridge from what I know to what I want to know. In this bridge, we're going to put some conversions here to get me there. So I'm starting with 500 seconds. I can go from seconds to minutes pretty easily, and I want these units to cancel. So right here, I want to talk about seconds and minutes. I know that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. I put seconds on the bottom because, again, as we're multiplying here, I want seconds on top to cancel with seconds on the bottom. If I do this, I'll now know how many minutes I have. But notice, I don't want minutes. I still need to do more work to get to hours. I now need to do something similar. I need to convert minutes to hours. So again, I'm going to say how many minutes are in an hour, and I'm going to want to make sure that minutes go down here so it cancels. I know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. I now have the unit that I want. I wanted to get to hours, took me a couple steps, but now I'm at hours. So what this is telling me is I need to take my 500 seconds and divide it by 60 times 60. Seconds will go away, minutes will go away. That will give me my answer. 500 divided by 60 times 60. You may need to do this on a calculator, but 500 divided by 60 times 60 is the same thing as 500 over 3,600. That's what I get when I multiply 60 times 60. I can reduce here by knocking off some zeros. That's the same thing as 50 over 360 if I divide the top and bottom by 10. I can divide the top and bottom by 10 again. 50 over 360, that's the same as 5 over 36. And I want you to answer this in a sentence. We know that there are 5 over 36 hours in 500 seconds. I'll write that down. There are 5 over 36 hours in 500 seconds. There you go.